My name is Matt Dean, I'm Chief Mechanic at Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team. The tool trolley is essentially a mobile workshop. It goes to the grid with us. It contains all the Einhell cordless tools that we need to work on the car quickly and make sure anything that needs to be done before that green light goes out so the cars can get off the grid cleanly. In that trolley, we've got Einhell leaf blowers, we've got Einhell drills, along with the sockets, the ratchets, the spanners that we need to work on the car. The car will arrive on the grid and we might have an issue with the brakes. So on that trolley, that will house all the leaf blowers that we use. Mechanics have got to change those brakes really quickly. They're raging temperatures, they're maybe 900 degrees, so we need to get those brakes cooled down quickly so the mechanics can change the brakes in the time critical moment where the lights are going to be going out in say 10-15 minutes and we need to get that work done quickly. So essentially the grid trolley is a piece of equipment that allows us to prep that car so it's ready 100% to leave the grid.